Hi, I'm Dan Snedecor. I'm the General Manager for Holms Attachments, responsible for North America and located in Hickory, North Carolina. I'd like to talk to you now about the Holms range of snowplows. Holms offers three types of plows in our range. We have our diagonal plow, the PD, we have the V-plow, the PV, and we have our flared V-plow, the PVF. Each model range is designed to achieve a particular result. The three ranges share some very common features, and that's what I'd like to talk to you about. Here we have the Holms PD. This is our diagonal plow. It's a straight blade, and it's able to angle 35 degrees left or right. It has two cylinders managing the manipulation of the plow for maximum control. This is our Holms PV. This is our V-plow. It can be positioned many different ways. It's currently in the wedge position for opening up deep snowy roads. It can be positioned in an angled position, left or right, and then also into a Y position for pushing the snow forward and piling up if you need to do that. So here we have the Holms PVF. This is our flared V-plow. So it operates just like our other V-plow, however, the shape is different. You can see here it goes from low to high, from the center of the plow to the outside. And this plow is designed for working at higher speeds and for maximizing the throw distance of the snow. It's especially effective in areas where the snowbanks are building up and you need to throw the snow very high in order to clear those banks and get the road open. All of our plows feature a 500 Brinell hardness steel. This is a very hard steel with very high level of durability. It allows us to use a slightly thinner sheet of steel to achieve the same life as weaker steel. This lowers the operating weight of the plow, which makes the overall machine plow combination much more efficient. Another common design feature between all of our plows is every sheet is a single piece. We bend these sheets in our own factory to our own specifications, particular to each model, to achieve the desired performance result. Whether it's a diagonal plow or a V-plow, all of the Holms plows use double-acting cylinders. This ensures the maximum amount of leverage so that the plow can be manipulated under the heaviest of loads. Another common design feature is that all of the cylinders are center mounted so that they have the maximum amount of leverage from the center pivot of the plow itself. All the plows share the same cutting edge design. It's a spring-loaded design, and our cutting edges are reversible so that once one side begins to wear below the recommended wear level, you can flip the edge and get life from the other side. From the side, you can also see this box welded section. This box welded section supports the blade on the front of the plow, and it is where the hydraulic cylinders are mounted for the angling of the plow itself. Inside of this box section is where we mount the springs for the spring-loaded cutting edges. When the plow hits an obstacle, these edges can flex using the spring system to allow the plow to go over a manhole cover or other obstacle on the road and not damage that object, and also, more importantly, keep the operator safe so that the plow doesn't come to an abrupt stop. Having the springs located inside of this section also helps protect them from damages, which comes in handy, especially if you have to do any sort of back dragging with the plow to pull snow out from beside buildings or other structures. All ranges of the Holms plow offer you a few options to choose from. You can have single or double pendulation. This refers to the ability for the plow to move side to side and also fore and aft. One of the available features on the Holms plow is the Holms float arm. This is the float arm right here, this purple piece. It has indicators that allow the operator to see that they're positioned properly. This float arm is what allows the plow to not only adjust side to side, but also forward and backwards as the plow travels across the ground. Also in this area is the central hydraulic control block. All the hoses are routed through this area, keeping it nice and neat and out of harm's way. So thanks for taking a few minutes to learn a little bit more about the Holms range of snowplows. Holms has a very long heritage in the snowplow manufacturing business. We take a great deal of pride in the quality with which these plows are built. We hope you'll look into the Holms plows further. To learn about them, you can go to www.holms.com.